Zimbabwe Electoral Commission (ZEC) has launched a voter registration drive focused on rural areas where ZANU-PF has traditionally held a strong presence. However, the process has been carried out without the usual public notifications, according to sources cited by Newsday. Rural areas are being targeted, with officials visiting schools like Gomonyo High School in Gokwe North to register learners. While ZEC Deputy Chairperson Rodney Simukaikiwa acknowledged the exercise, he denied any secrecy surrounding the process. This development has raised concerns given past allegations of bias by ZEC in favor of the ruling ZANU-PF party in the 2023 general elections. Urban areas with strong opposition support experienced voting disruptions due to alleged delays in ballot paper delivery.